Alright. Ma, time check.
Hold on.
2 tree trail. Time check, please.
I can't see. 9:38.
9:38.
Do you think dun ang M?
Maybe.
Ito yung trail eh.
And if you take the Edison Trail, make sure you go left at the end of it, because there's sort of like a road that goes to the right, but
Okay.
or just stay on the
Okay, so Edison left.
yeah.
Okay.
Or you can just stay on the left trail.
All throughout.
Yeah,
Okay.
so-
So there's Edison and then the left trail.
Yeah,
Basically
I
to go
forget
through.
what it's called.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
There's
Which
a-
one do
there's
you
a map
prefer
there.
though? Oh, there's a map.
Yeah, it's,
Okay.
it's pretty sun-washed.
Okay.
But yeah, it's at the top. You're not halfway
Awesome.
there, I'm just halfway up.
No worries.
Right.
We'll thank you so much for staying by. Thank you. Time check. 10:38. And the yellow house is right there. Dun, 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 dun. Mama.
I'm dying. I'm not gonna reach M Trail today.
Let's see if I can do a selfie. Whee!
It has 2 cameras.
No, I'm switching it. Hi. Ma, what you do?
Shade.
Hmm? Hi.
Don't come up here.
Okay. Let me see. Well, where's the yellow? Huh? Yes. That's the road. Let me check. Hi, yellow house. Today is September the 30th. Holy shit, it's almost Christmas or Halloween, I say. Anyway, too bad. Whatever that trail is, I wouldn't know because I don't know the map, or I don't recognize, or I didn't memorize it. So I don't know what trail this is. I can go, but I don't want to because I'm with my mom. It would be a different story if I am by myself. So, oh well, I guess that is the end of the 2 tree trail. Make sure to park at the address that I'm gonna post, which is 432 Tree Road, Riverside. And then if you want to do the shortcut over here, if I remember correctly on my pinpoint on my Apple Maps, it was Box Springs Mountain Reserve. But be careful because that was the first, I don't know if that was the location of the very first this morning that we went to, and it was on the other side of the city. So that was way wrong. So be careful.
We're finished.
Time check. 11:55. Yay, so proud, Mama! It's 2:55. 2 trees trail. So that's roughly 2 hours and almost 30 minutes. Back to parking. And we're the only ones left in the parking. Mama! Are you okay?
I made it.
No break on the way down, not even an hour. Like 50 minutes going down. So